inserting text in PowerPoint is little different than in some of the other Microsoft applications. You can't insert text everywhere on the slide. You can only insert text into placeholders or text boxes. We have already inserted text into several placeholders. To do this, just click a placeholder and an insertion point will appear. Then you can begin typing. To delete text one letter at a time, just click to place the cursor next to the text you wish to delete. Press the backspace key on your keyboard to delete text to the left of the cursor. Or press the delete key on your keyboard to delete text to the right of your cursor. If you want to delete more than one letter at a time or format your text in various ways, you'll need to know how to select text. I decided I don't want a few of those words on this slide, so I'll just delete them. To select the text, place the insertion point next to the text you wish to delete. Click and hold down the mouse button, and while holding it down, drag your mouse over the text you wish to delete. And now release the mouse button. You can see highlighted boxes appeared over the words. This lets us know which text is selected. Now, I will just press the delete key on keyboard and the selected text is deleted. Once you have inserted text, you will need to know how to format it. If you look in the Fonts group on the Home tab, you'll see a variety of options there. Let's go to our first slide. When I place my cursor inside my title placeholder, I can see the default font is Calibri and the default size for one line of text is 44. If I click the subtitle placeholder, I can see the default font size is 32 and the text is also gray by default. You can change these settings to make your text look the way you want it to. Just select the text you want to modify. We'll select our title. A hover over menu will appear with basic formatting commands. Right now, I will show you how to use these commands from the ribbon, but when you feel comfortable with PowerPoint, you'll find that the hover toolbar will save you some time. To change the font size and make it bigger or smaller, select the drop-down next to the font size. And as you move your cursor over the various font sizes, a live preview of the font size will appear in your document. Click the font size that you want, and it will change in the document. Okay, that looks really good, but I would like to try a different font style. I'll just select the text and click the drop-down arrow next to the font style box on the Home tab. Just move the cursor over the various font styles and now just click the one that you like and it will change in the presentation. I think I'll do the same thing with my subtitle and change the font to something different. I like this one. There are many other commands in the font group that you can use to format your text in various ways. You can change the font's color the same way you did the size and style. Just click the command and select the color. You have different options here, or you can select more colors at the bottom of the list to access the colors dialog box. Choose the color you want and click OK. There are several other options in this font group that I want to show you. Some of them you may use often, while others you will use less frequently. You can format the text using the bold, italic, and underline commands. To use these commands, just select the text you wish to modify and click the command. To remove the formatting, you can just click the command again. We can see how each one works. I think the underline may work. That looks pretty good. The strike through command makes a line through the text, and I don't use that quite often here. But the text shadow command here is really nice. The clear formatting command undoes your recent formatting changes. The change case command lets you try different case options. For example, if I want my title to be uppercase, I can select the command and a list will appear with different case options. I'll just select uppercase from the list, and there you go. This will save some time as you don't have to retype the title again. I actually think this option will look good. This one.